Hi guys, in today's lecture we will study about the difference between DNA and the RNA. DNA is basically deoxyribonucleic acid while RNA is a ribonucleic acid. We will see the differences, how they differentiate from each other. There are certain types of differences present between the DNA and the RNA. The first difference, which is according to their helix, DNA is basically a double helical structure while RNA is basically a single helical structure. DNA has four types of nucleotides: adenine, thymine, guanine, and cytosine, while RNA has adenine, uracil, guanine, and cytosine. It has also four types of nucleotides. You can see the diagram of DNA and RNA. DNA is double helical while RNA is a single helical structure, and their biochemical structure of their nucleotides is also expressed in this diagram. And guys, if you see about its second difference, it is according to sugar. The sugar which is present inside the DNA is deoxyribose, while the sugar which is present inside the RNA is a ribose. Ribose is basically a five-cornered sugar and it has five carbons. But why we call deoxyribose a ribose sugar? Its difference is expressed here. In deoxyribose, the carbon number 2 has hydroxyl group has hydrogen group, while in ribose sugar, carbon number 2 has hydroxyl group. The basic difference between these two sugars is here. The deoxyribose has absence of oxygen, that is why it is called deoxyribose. While ribose sugar has presence of hydroxyl along with hydroxyl has oxygen, while this hydrogen does not have oxygen. Then there is a basic difference between the structure of the DNA and the RNA. DNA has B form, A form, and Z form structure, while RNA has only A form helix. You can see the difference here. And now we will see about the functions which is done by the DNA. DNA has basically blueprint or the code of living organisms, of all the living organisms, which is a biological code present inside the DNA. It is termed as blueprint, stored blueprint. While RNA only transfer genetic code from DNA to protein or the individual. DNA is, according to stability, DNA is less reactive and is more stable in the alkaline solution, while RNA is more reactive and it is not stable in the alkaline solution. If we see according to copy, DNA is basically self-replicating, while RNA is not self-replicating, and it is produced by the transcription of DNA. DNA has only single type according to function, while RNA has three types. These are mRNA, tRNA, and rRNA. mRNA is termed as messenger RNA, while tRNA is termed as transfer RNA, while rRNA is termed as ribosomal RNA. Now, a single type of difference was missed during the lecture, that is UV damage, ultraviolet damage. The DNA is quite susceptible to ultraviolet damage, while RNA is very less or relatively stable, is very less susceptible, or it is relatively stable against the ultraviolet rays. Guys, as I have told you about the B form, A form, and Z form of DNA, we are discussing these three forms in details, why these three forms are different from each other. As I told you, you can see their difference according to structure here. And now we will see why these three forms are different from each other. The first difference, which is helical sense, second base pair patterns, third one rotation per base pair, and fourth one is helical diameter. According to helix sense, the B form of DNA is right-handed and A form of DNA is also right-handed, while Z form of DNA is left-handed. If we see base pair patterns, in each turn number of base pairs, B form has 10 base pairs, while A form has 11 base pairs, while Z form has 12 base pairs. If we see rotation per base pair in degrees, in the B form it has positive 36 degree, in A form it has positive 33 degree, while in Z form it is negative 30 degree. Fourth difference, which is helical diameter. According to helical diameter, the B form DNA has 19 angstrom size, while A form DNA has 23 angstrom size, while Z form DNA has 18 angstrom size. Guys, 1 angstrom is basically equal to 10 to the power minus 10 meter. It was all about the structural difference and the functional difference of DNA and the RNA. If you see any query, please click the bell button and please subscribe my channel. Thank you.